Well, that's good, guys. Blind Dave here. Well, this is a series of tests, actually. Just me and Lucky. That's one Central American cichlid left in a 150-gallon aquarium. Let's see. I can't tell. Anyway, just getting on here, testing audio. Again, this is a Sony Wi-Fi headset, so not endorsing them, just, it's got good audio for what I listen to. I've got two different Boya or Boyo lavalier mics I'll be testing here shortly. I ordered a shotgun mic with a 3.5 input for cell phone and a camera that I've got. So we'll test that out. This is still just a plain Jane version on a cell phone, so we're not so talented yet on the other two cameras that I've got. So this right now is, like I said, just a test. Then this other shotgun mic, I was looking at really practicing with it a bit. But somehow it was supposed to be delivered on the 8th, and now it seems it went to, it was in New Orleans, and then it gets sent to Shreveport, and now it is in Coppell, Texas. So now it has to be sent all the way back to New Orleans and then to where I'm at. So it's like, wow, you know? I didn't realize it was going to be like this, but whatever. Anyway, this is just a test. I might post another quick video right quick with the Boya or Boyo lavalier mic on a few other things, but just decided to do this, whatever. Just getting moving for the day. Just to throw it out there, say hello. Of course, on YouTube, I'm Blind Dave Crypto. Just look for the Lamborghini with the with my cane in front of it. On Instagram, Blind Dave 2. On Twitter, at Blind Dave 2. I don't understand the 2-bit, but whatever. I guess there was a 1. Anyway, y'all be cool. Later. I can't tell where